Ruthie with the Coastal Backyard Farm. I'm just showing you how our Saturday morning is going here. I'm doing a little vlog here. We've got some cardboard here that has to be burned. Dogs out here. We've actually been up since about 6:30. Clay's out here mowing the lawn. And here are chickens and different things. It looks like it's going to rain. It's actually kind of cold, and I usually hardly ever wear jeans. And ta-da, he has jeans on today. And he's out here mowing. I'm working at my office. I set my little office up outside in the summer just to get a break from the from being inside all the time. I do work full time at home, so in case you didn't know that. So I work on the computer. And here's my sweet loving husband. I work on my blog and things like that. Don't get me, don't get me.
You want to leave her alone, but I think the turkey might be setting.
My turkey might be setting? So excited. She has a bunch of eggs in there, and I didn't know, Clay and I did not know if she was stuck or not. She thinks she might be setting on the eggs. We're excited about that. We put some in the incubator, but what happened with the incubator, guys, was that our electric had to get redone, as you can see, and because of that, the incubator was off, on and off, so we don't know if anything happened for her or not in the house. So anyway, I think I'll take a little stroll with you guys. I have, let me see here. I have some grapes coming on. Mulberries are coming on. We had moved the bees for the electrician, which, long story short, that wasn't something we had to do because we had to go with a different guy because the first guy never called us back. Hazelnuts, apples are coming on. We moved the cages so he could mow. Bucket system is up and running. Let's see here. These little things here. Clay just told me what they were, but I don't know what they are. There's like, I don't see them now. They're little red things there. Pears are going. The bees are over there. Looks like they are bearding on the outside. I have to talk to my husband about that. So I'm not sure what's going on with them guys over there. Hope they don't swarm, but if they do, they've got lots of places that we set up for them. So it seems a little cool for that to be happening. But both sets are outside. Hey, Clay! Honey. We got lots of them. Oh, we probably do. I'm not going to go near the turkey because we told me not to. Bucket system, got some tomatoes, got some peppers. Most of the food we're going to get from the auction. Hey, Clay! Look at the bees! Like that too, they look like they're ready to swarm, so I don't know what's going on. He's outside with me. He's such a little sweetie. I don't know, he'll take us a mower. Happy about it. Mama's here, don't worry. There's always something going on here. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you quick. Ta-da! I'm here, got my little shawl that I made last year. Crocheting a bunch of blankets right now for winter. So I don't know if you guys saw me or not, but I just tried to focus on myself there. But, always look so bad when you do a video first thing in the morning. Hey Clay, do you think they might be swarming? It's awful cold, but they may have said enough. So he's been working, I've been working. Are you getting hungry?
Not right yet. I got to finish this and then I'll take a break.
Okay.
I just want to move the stuff where I got to mow.
Okay, so we're moving things around. We have a lot going on around here. So, oh, there's somebody over there talking. So anyway, it's actually really cold out here. You think it's cold for, well,
No, I think it feels good.
yeah, that's true. Well, for working it's good. But I mean, it's been so hot. It was like 90 in the house, and the day that, oh my goodness, the day they did the electric, it was just so hot. He covered up the motor, but it still looks like rain, but it's not supposed to rain today, and it hasn't rained. It's been looking like rain for a while. So what do you think, boy? So anyway, that's just a quick little vlog of what's going on here this morning, guys. Hostas are starting to come up good. And Clay's moving some stuff around. I gotta get back to some things I'm doing. I'm doing laundry, dishes.
I'll probably be about 15, 20 minutes.
Doing a bunch of things at once. Are you hungry?
Not right this second, but I will be when I get done mowing.
Okay. How about some tomato sandwiches? Soup? What do you want?
What kind of soup you got?
I don't know. Do you want macaroni?
No, you can make me some of that rice.
Okay, he likes this mushroom rice, so I'm going to make him that. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. God bless.